Jaxie,
Wow.
come over here so you can show me.
Here?
Can you bend your knees?
Yeah.
Wait, go over there. I'm going to throw you the ball. No, not right there. Out there.
Oh, here?
A little bit more.
Here?
A little bit more.
Here?
A little bit more.
Here?
Right there. Perfect. Okay, 2 hands.
Here?
Bend your knees.
And these?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hit it. Oh, Mommy's not a very good thrower. Maybe we need a better ball than that.
Chloe?
Well, you throw it right to me. Get your bat. Hurry.
Chloe?
Baxter, go lay down. Come here. Get out. Baxter. I'm not going to throw it to you.
Look.
Get your bat. Get your bat. Where's the bat at?
Gone.
It's not gone. You dropped it. Where's your? I'm going to throw it to you.
Can't throw it.
You want to catch it?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Whoa.
Baxter. No. Drop it. Give it back. Jaxie, go get that ball. Say, give me that ball, dog. Give him a hug.
Oh, get hug.
Can you give Baxie a hug?
No, I want it. I'm not going to.
Say, give me a kiss, Baxie.
Get a kiss.
Oh, thank you.
I like him. I give.
Hey, Bubba.
What?
I love you.
I see what Daddy.
Oh, Daddy's not on here. Look, you gotta go on the other side. You gotta stand over there, and I'll show you. Okay?
Look.
There's a doggy. See?
See.
You gotta get on the other side of the camera, Bubba. Here, look. Look. There he is.
I want it. I want. Whoa, Daddy. Oh, Daddy.
He's not on there. Stop.